So here this problem we're given that 2 times y minus a is the harmonic mean of these two numbers, y minus x and y minus z. Then we have to show that x minus a, y minus a and z minus a, these three terms are going to form what? A geometric progression, arithmetic progression, harmonic progression, or none of the above. Let us begin. Now first, let's briefly go through the idea. Let's say let a, b, c are in harmonic progression. If they are in harmonic progression, and that this means that b is the harmonic mean of a and c. So if it is the harmonic mean of a and c, that this implies that b must be equals to 2 times a c divided by a plus c. Now in a problem, it's given here that 2 times y minus a is the harmonic mean of two numbers, that's given by y minus x and y minus z. So if we apply this particular idea, then 2 times y minus a must be equals to 2 times y minus x times y minus z divided by, we'll have to take the sum, y minus x added to y minus z. Now we can factor out 2 from both sides. Fine. So this will be y minus a multiplied to it will be, so we combine this to get 2 times y, so we have 2 times y minus x minus z, so this will be equals to y minus x times y minus z. So let's expand both sides. Now we have y multiplied to 2y, so that's 2y squared. Then y times negative x will be negative xy. Y times negative z will be negative yz. Then we have negative a times 2y, so that's negative 2ay. Negative a times negative x makes it positive, so we have positive ax, and negative a times negative z will be positive az. This will be equals to y times y, that's y squared. Y times negative z is negative yz. Then we have negative x times y, so that's negative xy, and we have negative x times negative z, so that's positive xz. Now few of the terms will get cancelled out from both sides, negative xy, and then we have negative yz and negative yz from both sides. So 2y squared, we are going to combine it with this y squared. After we transpose it to the left hand side, becomes simply y squared. Then we have negative 2ay, and we're going to take transpose ax and az to the left right hand side. So we have xz minus ax minus az. Now what we'll do, we will add a squared to both sides. So we have xz minus ax minus az plus a squared. So this is the expansion of y minus a whole squared. Now let's work with this one. So for the first term and the second term, let's take x as the common factor. So x will be multiplied to z minus a. And from the third and the fourth term, we're going to take negative a as the common factor. So we have z. Since we have added positive a squared to both sides, so this will be z minus a. So now we have y minus a whole squared equals to z minus a will be the common factor. So this will be multiplied to x minus a. So this result tells us that x minus a, comma y minus a, comma z minus a. So these three terms are in geometric progression. So we have finally obtained a result. So that means the numbers given by x minus a, y minus a, z minus a, these are going to be in geometric progression, provided 2 times y minus a is the harmonic mean of y minus x and y minus z.